Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about project management and how we find some of the course material about project management on internet. First, we will try to look into the major companies' career page and find out what's their to what is the requirement in market regarding project management, or is it like people will need to have certification or some sort of written exam to be passed in order to get the project management job, or is it kind of experience, what is the job market, how is the job market there, and so sorry for that, and what is the current scenario for project management related uh, profession. And as I'm landing here right now on Google, so we will be starting this like we will be starting this from ground, and I also have some sort of sticky note at my side to just document the whole process. So first, let's go into management. Since we do want to have a small font for here, I think this much is fine. Let me see. Okay, so we will be looking into also we will go into LinkedIn. I think I'm not I haven't logged in yet, but I will do as continue it. Try to get access to the LinkedIn, but this is not what I'm looking for, so I will be going into LinkedIn from my other account. Let me check once. So I think, yeah, this should work. Let me clear all the tab and let me go to LinkedIn feed. Okay, so we have LinkedIn, we have project management. Let me see jobs, just for the sake of to know the what's the requirement and from where we can get those requirement fulfilled. Okay, oh, we do not need to log in order to, oh yeah, it needs to log in. So is there any skip button? No. So let me just go to, I think, in case of Nepal, let me see, and in case of India, let me see from here. And project management career at uh, Google. Let me see the industry standard. Also, let me see the Coursera certification, how they are like planning to grow. Google manager, or Google is also providing us some sort of certification. And okay, so it's a product manager. We will be looking into. Let's go to the Google page to for our career. From where can I get that career section of Google? Let's do Google from Google, and I don't know, it should show me here somewhere around yeah, about Google. I think here I can get the career section, and let me see the industrial standard for here. Okay, let me a bit. So what's the role? Actually, it's project manager, where it's remote, I think. Let me just select a random location. Let's say India. Let's give it a search. Okay, 49 job. If I do not do the location, then it will show me the, okay. So current project manager devices and just let's go to the project manager and just entry level associate. Okay, let's see. And job type is, I think we should go about yeah, full time. And let's see, let me, organization, we don't want that. So it says that there is no result for associate. That's kind of interesting. Okay, then a bachelor's degree, 4 years in corporate strategy management consulting or advisory role in a consumer technology area. So 5 years of experience content strategy and production. Okay, let me let me go back and just let's see for technical project manager. Okay, finance Project manager, software engineering, program manager, global. Let me see, program manager, Fitbit, Google Ads, software engineering. I think program and yeah. Let me see for this section. Okay, it says that bachelor degree in supply chain management or a related field. Okay, so this is more supply chain centric project management role. So if you have supply chain management in bachelor degree in this field, then you are kind of, you have passed the minimum qualification. Also 5 years of experience in global supply chain. Okay, so experience is also important. That's what we are trying to look here. Experience is the key. Qualification, experience, degree, and yeah, related, those things are very important. What about technical, like, if someone want to work on a very technical job, like someone from technical background want to go on project management, then let's I just want to see that part. Actually here are many from many verticals we can see here, but I just want to see on, like, very technical side of project management. Let me scroll. If I don't get, then I think we should go to the next company, some sort of I think in Amazon, or maybe in Facebook also you can see that. But let's see for every I can't see much technical here, so let me go to AWS website. And in AWS website we will be looking into career section. Where is the career section? So yeah, AWS career, we will be looking into career section, and I think, yeah, 27,000 jobs are there in AWS. Let me see on product management also is similar form. Yep, program management, product management. I think let's see on product management and senior product manager. So okay, so this is super technical. Elastic cache, senior product manager, head of sales. Okay, so software development, leadership, senior product manager, tech product manager. Okay, we are not looking into senior, but just entry level associate one. But let me see from the filter if I can use here. Full time, yeah, job category. Okay, so there is no okay, so let me just see senior ones are only open here. That's pretty much we are not looking after, but let me okay, let's just look into the senior one. Okay, it's a senior technical product manager, simple email service. For simple email service they are looking for a senior product manager. And so what are the qualifications there? Must have a 6+ years of product management experience is key here. In any of the job posting, I haven't seen those certifications, need to have this certification. No, just experience and some sort of related degree. That's it. Experience in launching enterprise product, yeah, that's experience is the key in AWS. So preferred qualification is, it's preferred, MBA is preferred for senior, because right, it makes sense. And yeah, no certification whatsoever. That's what we were looking after. Even in senior also there is no certification. Then we got our answer to the question that how important are certificates to get a product management related job. So let me just check into a different website. Let me see for, I think let me see for which company I should look after. Okay, Facebook project manager, not salary. I'm not looking at. So what should we write in notes? Experiences. Yeah, let's not write at the moment. Project manager, home, Facebook. Okay, let's see in Facebook, and we will also look after LinkedIn post also. because those are also important for an associate. Project manager, it's a company name, not. Okay, let's go to Facebook and let's see careers page. Okay, Facebook careers, Meta careers. Okay, it's not Facebook, it's Meta now. So Meta careers, we will be looking into after remote work job opening at Meta. Let me see. Yeah, so Job Excel is a Nepal based job platform, and let's say if for Alliance Nepal, what sort of project manager they are like having, like what sort of qualities or what are the requirements to get into Alliance Nepal as a project manager. Let me check. Number of vacancy, one, gender, both, career level, senior level. Okay, let's see for senior level what is the description and lead, manage, okay, take holistic views, closely work with project sponsor team. These are all good. Required knowledge, technical project management, excellent business management, strong leadership. Okay, those are knowledge of data warehouse, knowledge of, okay, so Scrum Master, customer support, knowledge of retail domain, bachelor's degree, and 5 years of experience in project management. So the main thing is experience as a project manager. Let me see for associate project manager on CoTVT. It's kind of mid-level, so not senior level. Let me check for mid-level what they are looking after. They are looking after US healthcare, experience using Jira, Confluence. Those are the two tools that are very important. Jira and Confluence, right? Jira, Confluence, Excel data analysis function. Okay, Excel data analysis function. 1 to 2 years of experience as a project manager, software technology domain as a developer, tester, project manager, or any technical role. That's awesome. So in order to get into mid senior level, it's not mandatory to have a project manager. If you have 1 to 2 years of industry experience as a project manager, then they are taking, or also minimum 2 years of work experience as in technology field. So CoTVT as a project associate project manager, that's good, like it's green light for aspiring, what do we call in English, like to be, who are like, who wants to get into project management, then you are motivated. I just want to say that technical project manager. Let me see for SCODOS innovation. So what is the mid-level? So requirement 1 years of prior working experience. Okay, this is also good. Software so yeah, in case of Nepal and in case of Nepali companies, we have seen what are the requirements, and 1-2 years of minimum experience in PM or technical industry. Technical, yeah. Let me see. Yeah, this much from Nepal's job market. Now let us see more of, in case of India. Okay, project manager cloud. It just says that, and let me see what is the job requirement, or if there are any sort of certification or not there. Okay, job description is Scrum Master, skill in Scrum Master, cloud domain, SAP, and data warehouse. Execution achieve software methodology, waterfall. Yes, software methodologies are very important, like software engineering practices are important. Administer portfolio objective, SLA, KPI, productive improvement, resource deployment. This is pretty confusing for me. Let me just copy that. Administer portfolio objectives, SLA, KPI, productive improvement, resource procurement, deployment, and allocation. I think these are just jargons. And let me see some other Scrum Master. So what's we also need to find what's the difference between Scrum Master and Project Manager in the days to come. But for now, let's see what are the roles and responsibilities of Scrum Master. The incumbent will be responsible for managing small central development. Okay, Scrum Master, lead project team, similar thing. I think the Scrum is some sort of principle in software engineering, and yeah, let's see what's Scrum, to be more clear. Scrum in Wikipedia. Yeah, Scrum meaning also can work. Scrum in order formation of player. Okay, so yeah, finally We have to go in Wikipedia. Okay, so Scrum from software development is, yeah, it's a framework for project management with an initial emphasis on software. It has been used in field singularity, resource sales, design term view, the Scrum team, machine processing, time box, daily meeting of 15 minutes of your. Yeah, it's just like a framework. You should have a framework on, like, what I was telling is that stand up, and you have to do tasks in the given time box, sprint overview, daily Scrum, sprint planning, sprint retrospective. Okay, kind of basic idea we got about Scrum. So those are, I think, pretty much similar. And yeah, project manager, associate director, agile. Let me see on remote. No, okay, let's use filter. Okay, we don't care about remote or anything, but we just want to see about associate post, not on senior level. Okay, associate director also kind of similar, but let me see on but this naukri.com, there is no some sort of those detailed explanation or the requirements. So I think we should close this site, and let me see on meta careers. Okay, then meta careers, we are looking into project manager. Okay, project manager, and site is pretty much slow. Or RICS. Okay, faculty project manager, deployment project manager, travel and operation project manager. So it says that project manager. I'm guessing that these project managers are mid senior to senior level project managers only, because they don't, I think, and I kind of see that associate posts are not that much being opened in those companies, because 6 years of experience. So yeah, let's close here and let's go to LinkedIn, because it will be the better source for us. And if I do like some sort of project manager, and if I do the location as anywhere else, like for example, let's go into the job section, and if you see the United States section, then pretty much we are getting now what we are looking after. So senior project manager, construction. So WW is also looking for project manager, which is experience level. Let me see, associate. Okay, so 90, and let's go to the company as where is that? I think in all filter section we will see the only the software development or technical companies we will be looking after, not the construction one, or let's say WWE companies, because information technology, no, industry, IT service, software development, yeah, pretty much that. So junior project manager, that's good. Apex System United States is looking after junior project manager. Let me just quickly send my resume to them. Yes, they have been. No, I'm so sorry, man. Are you legally authorized to? No. Are you with you now or in future? Yes, are you legally authorized to? Yeah, I'm legally authorized, or not authorized, but yeah. Let me give and submit my application for junior project manager. General position summary is that responsible management of multiple concurrent projects, including information government process, yada yada yada, to meet changing needs and requirement, project accounting, budget management, all those. I think it's more of a, yeah, it's not a technical company, so I think it's more of a bachelor degree in management. Yeah, right. I was just but computer science also works in this case. Apex System, I have already sent them my CV. Project manager IT. Yeah, this sounds cool to me now, because being an IT student and experienced in IT field. Yes, but things that proficient in MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, Jira. These are the tools that we will be using if we are a project manager. And a bachelor degree in project manager, okay, lead software development, yeah, experience as a team software developer also makes sense. Okay, so these are the things and comes under preferred certification. This is the one that we were looking after for today. So CSM PSM certification, PMP certification. We will be looking into these things later on in the video, but let me just cut and paste. Okay, so let me just follow the go paste. I just want to make the changes on format, but yeah, let's leave it for now. It doesn't matter. Yeah. So it's not becoming better. I will just choose a different one. Okay, that's good. So principal project manager, IT project manager also must have like software development life cycle experiences. These are good, but I'm guessing that what sort of soft skill they are looking after. So for that we will be, I think we should bring some 2 3 or couple of project manager who are already in the field, or let's say who is hiring project manager, and let's just know about what sort of person you are looking after in project manager. Is it only someone who is experienced, um, as a technical person, or let's say as a management person, in order to get into uh, software management job, or I don't know. We will have a discussion on those things in the days to come in this channel, but let's try again for IT project manager. Let's see what are the IT project manager. Also we can bachelor degree in administration IT management, 6 to 8 experience in technology, information technology field, experience writing technical document. Yeah, that is, now that makes more sense. And yeah, a lot of certification we are seeing the certifications in LinkedIn, but not in our prior research. So LinkedIn posts are very much, you know coming with the certification thing. Principal project manager, Microsoft one, those are program manager. Okay, so I think I have to close for now, and I think I have to look after, not for job, but a real project manager, like project manager who is in the field. So let me just see the people's section and project manager, and let's see what their career roadmap has been. you know so yeah, just people's, and whoever comes in our, let me just go to location as United States. Yeah, so results, so let's see. Okay, so Scrum Master, his name is Ekin A. Let me just look into his. Yeah, I have also sent some connect request to project manager previously, but yeah, as you can see, it says pending. And Austin Macdon Engineering Corporation. Let's see his profile. What, just to know, how the roadmap goes. Like, if it was case of software development, then pretty much I know. But in case of project manager, I'm not that. Mm, let's see for these 3 people how they have landed. Um,
Okay, I found this.
Startup City. So Patrick is a project manager at Siemens Logistic LLC. So before landing into Siemens Logistic as project manager, he was engineering leadership program, hardware engineering contractor. Okay, yeah, super technical field. As an intern, he went and he did his contractor thing, project manager. Yeah, it's not that, I think. Yeah, it makes sense as an engineering, and it goes to the hierarchy goes to project manager. So I think in the same company, yeah, since it's in Simon, so if you are entering in a company as an engineer or a technical person, and if you want to go into project management, then I think that's a different story, rather than just entering as a project manager in a same company. So let's see about Austin. So project manager, design engineer, staff engineer, project engineer. Yeah, same companies as a staff engineer. Later on, becomes project manager. So I think after evaluating two people's profile, I got a sense that it's easier to be a project manager when you have some sort of experience or prior experience in the same company. Yeah, or if you are project coordinator in some other company, then you can become project coordinator in another company. That's how the project management scene works, I think, after looking into three people's cases. So, but the question is that how to, if you want to get some idea, if you are a developer and if you want to get idea about project management, like you want to fill yourself with knowledge about project management, and if you want to look into industrial practices that are there for project management, then I think I just got a course on Coursera about Google Project Management Professional Certificate, and we can enroll for free in this certificate. But we will see at the syllabus what the course has got to offer us. Foundation of project management, let me see all. So for foundation of project management, you will be able to define project management, explore responsibilities, core skill, life cycle of project. Those are pretty much, yeah, basic things. Next, on course 2, you will get a project initiation, starting a successful project. How to start a successful project, determine the cost, initiation phase, what are the project life cycle could look like, you know all those things. And all are like, there is a technical term called Rashi chart here also. And the what measures a successful project, those things are also taught in this course. And on course 3, there's a project planning, putting it all together. So you need to plan also in software development. Like there is a planning phase, there is a requirement specification phase, all those things. And these things resembles. So project planning, how to plan, what is the draft of communication, these things. And project execution. So if you haven't like learned about project management prior in your college or anywhere, and if you just want to start, then I think this course gives us a good uh, starting kick. So I think with that case, this one is better, and we can also look into this certification course in the days to come. But for now, again, we will be going with same one. This is the same Google one. We will be looking into, okay, so associate project manager program. So there is a program at Google which is called Google Associate Product Manager program. That's good, because you are entering as a product manager. And it like it's opportunities for Google for students, so who just want to land into the industry as a, let me just see how the application process goes, how to take a look at how we hire, preparation material. Okay, so there are preparation material, common Apm skill, there are application process also is there. And this makes pretty much sense. Okay, so preparing material, books, awesome, decoder. Okay, now we are making more sense, because cracking the PM interview, let me just I think copy and paste. Cracking the decoder and decode and conquer kind of makes sense. That this cracking the coding interview, so there might be some sort of coding interview too, if you are going to Google as a product manager, design of everyday things. Awesome, this is also a better approach. And I think Anusandhan also told us on our previous podcast about this book, The Design of Everyday Things. And the PM interview site. And let me just bookmark this page, right? Like this is super awesome. I'm so happy discovering this page, because I will bookmark this, and I will be looking. Yeah, we will be looking into the content in the days to come. Bookmark bar done. Bookmark bar is done. So let's see the Google product overview, PM interview, exponent. So these are the reading material that they give us, and Common APM skills are leadership, technical, design thinking. Yeah, we talked with Subham also about design thinking in our other podcast. Design thinking. I think no design thinking we talked with Anusandan, but there was another term which was like uh, thinking principle or some sort of that. Yeah, might come, and yeah, I will look into that also. Background in computer science, in similar technical field, expert teaching assistant. So if you are experienced as a teaching assistant or resident assistant, then your chances of getting into the company as a project manager is very high, because it makes sense, right? Projects or interest area, that's a passion for technology, background in computer science. Yeah, that's pretty much common APM skills. We just looked after an application process. So interview type, there will be a product question focus on design and strategy. Analytics, product as goal means dealing with big and technical. Role closely with engineer to cause technical feasibility. Okay, general tips: show empathy, communicate effectively, improve and iterate, manage your time, practice, have fun. Okay, that's awesome. We will be looking into it in the days to come. But uh, I haven't thought that there will be a certain program in Google, and this is like very much interesting to. Class of 2019 are already been enrolled in APM program, so I think we will be looking into it in like future, like the APM program which we have bookmarked to. And pretty much we got. So to sum up the today's video, what we got is that there is a project management program that runs in Google about hiring the project management student, fresh, it's a associate kind of project manager to hire. There is a program in Google, and in order to get into project management in industry, technical industry, there are some sort of certifications also. Those come as helpful. Even you can take a basic generic course also. And most important thing is experience. So you need to be experienced as a project manager. So those are couple of points that we went into in our first project management research video. And to close or sum up with today's video, let's finish these technical jargons. Like, let's clear out what these things are, and we'll be good to go in the next session. So first, let me see what PMP is. PMP. So what's PMP? Project management tool. So what's PMP? Is it some sort of PMP certification? What does a PMP do? Project management professional? No. Yeah, it's PMP, project management professional certificate, right? Okay, so PMP certification. Let's look into it. So at least get the idea of what PMP. Yeah, it's there. Okay, so CAMP and not much. So PMP. Okay, why PMP? Start your important resources certification handbook. How to get a PMP? I just want to look into the syllabus of PMP. So let me see PMP syllabus. Okay, all about PMP certification. Edureka is really awesome. So on okay, let's see this. Project integration management. Oh, nice. Project risk management, project time management. It's same like university course. Awesome. Got the idea. Yeah, same. Project. This was taught in our university. Like in a semester, there was a project management course, and we just learned the same thing there. So I think PMP certification. अहिले नबोल्नु न, यहाँ मिटिङमा छ कि एकैछिन. So PMP certification, we are looking after your it resembles with the the bachelor level syllabus. So just got the idea, the PMP certificate. Now let's look into Psm certificate. Okay, certified Scrum Master. Okay, now this is different for me because Psm It's like certified Scrum Master course, and if we look into the syllabus here, then we will be. Let's see first. So, what is a certified Scrum Master course? Okay, there are multiple levels of Scrum Professional, Scrum Master, Agile Coach certified. But let's again, if we are not typing the syllabus, then business website are like killing the knowledge vibe, So that's not important. That's not good. What is the syllabus for CSM? Okay, so Scrum Master Certification syllabus. Let's look into it. It's kind of interesting, I think. Fundamental of concept of terminology in Scrum roles, Scrum ceremonies, core competency of Scrum. Okay, use cases. Become an expert Scrum Master. Awesome. Nice. This makes sense. This makes more sense now. Proceed to become a block always. Enroll for CSM course. What? Business websites are killing the vibe, man. Again, I have to go into the images and find the actual syllabus. I think this is the one. Let me grab this down. Uh, 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 uh. Fundamentals of Agile coaching, team development, Scrum Master stance, the spirit of Scrum, co-analyzing Agile adoption, servant leadership, extreme programming, user story, solving collaboration, lean thinking, awesome, Kanban. So all these terms we will be looking after. So this CSM thing, okay, CSM, which is also called Certified Scrum Master, and its syllabus we will be looking into syllabus in the days to come, and we will be also doing case studies in the channel. Awesome. Then I think we are kind of getting some sort of generic view on the channel. Lastly, we will be looking after PSM certification. So what's PSM? We got the idea about CSM, we got the idea of PMP. Now what's PSM? First, let's PSM syllabus, project management. Okay, so professional Scrum Master. Again, the CSM is it was certified Scrum Master, though. So now this is professional Scrum Master, and in PSM, again, let's go to the yeah, the same page will help us to understand, but we will be looking after our different image for now for PSM. And if you see about PSM, then you will be getting some sort of syllabus for project management. Oh, also the canvas.harvard.edu is also helping us to become a project manager. So project manager course, I think there are let me see the syllabus. Okay, PDF of syllabus. Okay, where is PDF? Where is PDF? We do want to see the PDF of syllabus. And yeah, so faculty, PhD, we are looking after the course purpose, technical methodology, case method of learning, in-class contribution, academic honesty, course material, course. Okay, so the required book for Harvard's case is the So David launching and leading change in healthcare course pack. Okay, we will go into the assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment and okay, so required reading. So there are different required reading. I think we should do case study on all most of the required reading in the days to come. Like for example, one required reading we can pick is that launching and leading change in. If you guys are not seeing this, then let me zoom a bit. Yeah, so okay, process for project management, PAMS. Okay, so we are going after PAMS framework on Harvard's case, and building an emotional intelligence of groups. That's awesome. Okay, so yeah, a lot of things make sense. So PAMS goes on Harvard, and we will be looking after this in the days to come too. PAMS Harvard, yeah. Professional Scrum Master. Yeah, so last topic of the day, and we will be closing our video. And if you guys have some sort of queries, then please let me know on the comment section. So what's PAMS is a professional Scrum Master certification, and the curriculum goes like this. The Scrum framework is there, and Is there a bit more detail about curriculum here? Yeah, we schedule and pricing. Curriculum. Where is the curriculum, man? We schedule and pricing. What? What is this? What is this website trying to do? I don't want to get involved in these things. Let me just go after PSM. Psm Syllabus. Yeah, pretty much that. So yeah, this is the last topic for the day, and syllabus goes like this: Scrum basics. Two-day course covers the following: Scrum theory, Scrum framework and meeting, Scrum and change, Scrum and total cost of ownership, Scrum teams, Scrum planning, risk management, reporting, predictability, scaling Scrum. Awesome, awesome. So we got the idea. So we got the now we yeah Scrum. There is a book. I think there are multiple books on Scrum. We will be looking into these things in the days to come. And thank you for your passion. Oh, thank you for your persistence, like for being up to this point in the video. And I think I have to close the video for today, and we will be meeting again after in next video. Thank you guys.